So I purchased Arduino Micro and put it on a breadboard here, wired up an LED, the proper resistors, and I have it connected to my PC now, and I have the program in there for simulating the faceplate opening and closing. So the faceplate would open, the eyes would turn off, the LEDs would turn off for the eyes, then the faceplate would close and the eyes would flicker as they power up and turn on, similar to the movie. So what I have now is just a switch. In the end, I'm going to have an RFID tag in the glove, and that will operate basically as the switch, opening and closing the faceplate. So here I have just a toggle switch. So I'm going to turn it on and back off. You can see the servo move and then the eyes flicker. So the faceplate is simulated as being closed right now. Now I'm going to open the faceplate and turn off the eyes. I'm going to close the faceplate here and turn on the eyes again. And I'm going to go ahead and open the faceplate, turn the eyes off. And everything seems to be working pretty well. I'm pretty happy with it right now, but I'm just doing preliminary testing right now, trying to get familiar with the Arduino, the programming, the parts, and everything there. So I'll keep you updated on the progress, and talk to you later.